If you've got a machine screw, something like that, which you will, obviously not this size, but will go in the back of a Yale lock, or if you've got handles that you're clamping onto a door, but you find that that's just a little bit too long, it's an absolute nightmare to cut down if you're using just a hacksaw on its own. You've got to try and hold that, cut it, wobbling around all over the place. Often, if it's in that situation where you're bolting them together, you don't have a nut that you can put on like we used to, cut it and wind it off to rethread it. You mark the length that you need to cut off, put it into the chuck of your drill, right against the jaws of the chuck. Up to our mark, we keep our drill in the forward setting, driving in. The thread, when you place the saw on there, it will keep the saw forced against the teeth of the chuck. Just start the drill and give it a slight sawing action. Have a little check how far we are through. We don't want it to spin off and fly across the room. Getting close. Okay, so I think it's probably small enough now. There we go.
Brilliant.
Look at that.
Okay, I want to test, James. Wow.
Look at that.
Oh, that's really great. I've had trouble with that for ages where you can't get the nut started on a bit of thread cutting it.
Yeah. Actually, 9 times out of 10, the nut will go straight on there. And if it doesn't, all you need is a Stanley blade and you just ease it back open again and that's it.
Just
Yeah, that's all we need.